I've got nothing on these crepes.
That pizza was good.
Welcome back to Cooking with Gomez. What are we?
We're making crepes.
Shut the fuck up! What are we cooking today,
Making
Gomez?
crepes. So far, I added some eggs, flour, sugar. Just need some melted butter, milk. That's it. And then it's a long process, but not that long. But yeah.
Now we're making special crepes.
Yeah, we got different fruits, caramel, ice cream, apple filling. It's kind of however you want to have it.
Nice. What's the first steps?
Whisk the eggs first. Then you'll add the flour into it, and then the sugar, and then I don't have butter melted. I still need to melt it, but you'll add some melted butter to it.
Put it in your ass.
And then you'll add the milk. Basically, you add it to almost like a thin pancake consistency.
Put butter in your ass and milk that.
Bro, what are you doing? You don't like that. We just use that Jack Daddy's face. You don't like that Jack Daddy?
That's a different
Put it under Angel's
Prime! Why do you have that?
we're gonna do.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
Yeah?
No, I'm not gonna open this. There you go. There you go. Small little dollop.
Just for
Instead of vanilla extra.
Is there prime in here?
Instead of vanilla extra.
We don't have vanilla extract?
Scott. Why are you supposed to hand
Is it actually a lighter?
There you go. Now you got your prime crepes.
I don't know what it is.
It looks like vanilla lighter.
Oh, that's right. I saw.
It was so good. It
Now you
goes
got your
around
prime
like a
juice.
big lighter. It has like a long ass
Yeah.
what?
Get some.
And we're just melting butter in the microwave.
genius. Would Gordon Ramsay say yes to that?
You know what? He got nothing on me. I'm calling you out, Gordon. You got nothing on me. Chef Mike right here. He can do everything.
have nothing.
We got cookies.
Yeah. Well, I didn't. Yeah. Just a little mix of different stuff. And then we got like I don't even know what to call it. It's basically puff pastry with like an apricot chewy filling, like a caramel apricot filling.
Kind of like a charcuterie board almost.
I guess.
Are you a guest on Gomez's cooking show?
He's the one coming up with the recipes. No, I'm joking. That's all me. That is all me. I take credit for everything.
Oh man, I just had to have a break. How's it going? Holy shit, that actually looks good.
Yeah, we got one cooking right now. Actually.
How do you make it?
My content.
Basically, let me at least move this.
Can I get a
to the
fork?
side. Nope. Yeah, there. Angel, yo, come up and grab your fork.
Going on YouTube.
So for these crepes, you got the batter.
Hey,
finish.
fucking well, bitch.
You got the batter finish. It's pretty loose. That's how
Okay.
it's supposed to be. You'll just pour it on.
I'm working on it. I'm working on it.
So it's like a pancake.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's like a thin pancake. That's the best way to describe it.
Yes, I'm talking.
When you roll it out, and then you'll let it cook for a bit. So I'm gonna move on to the one that's already done. So once it's done, I have a little apple filling. I went a little lazy, so I bought some. I just bouged it up. I had a little bit more brown sugar, added some whiskey to it, did a little flambe.
Whiskey?
Yeah,
You add whiskey to the apple?
it would be more ideal to do bourbon. We didn't have bourbon. Whiskey's close enough, in my opinion. But
And then what does the whiskey do to the apple?
it's just extra flavor to it. Just some extra flavor to add.
Okay.
And then you'll just put a little bit inside. I like to fold it. There's different ways you can fold it. So I just do like a little triangle, a little pocket. And then I'll grab a plate.
You know to flip this job.
In a bit. The crepe stove isn't that hot.
Schwinger's cat.
Get a plate. I don't think I have here. I'm gonna quickly slice some.
Slicing apples.
There we go. Take these three.
All the whiskey.
Oh, he's recording. I don't want to be.
I'm about it.
some apple slices in there.
Yo, pull me some, baby.
Chocolate on the
Oh, my cup. I got my cup.
chocolate on the pocket. Then essentially going back to that one center. Finish it off with some dulce de leche ice cream.
Wait, no, I want no ice.
Sure.
Where's ice? I don't know. You gotta grab that thing. Just say when.
You're good.
Little bit of cinnamon dust to make it fancy.
Wow, that looks pretty good.
That'll be $15.
How much do you sell it at your place?
About 15.
No, okay. Does it come with the ice cream as
Yeah,
well?
it comes with the ice cream.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Another extra money. I don't know how much it is. But yeah, those are our. This one's based pretty much the cinnamon apple crepe we make there. The only difference, we have a brown sugar cinnamon ice cream.
Nice.
Yeah, pretty similar to that.
How to make crepes with Chef Gomez.